Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we're gonna make grilled meatball and sausages. So if you want to check the ingredients, let's check it out. Okay, so the meatball that we're gonna use, this is Asian's meatball, so you can check it out in Asian market near you. So we have meatballs, we have chicken sausage. You can cut this like this, so when it's grilled it's gonna make beautiful and all the sauce goes in. If you don't want to do that, that's totally up to you. So for the ingredients, we have 5 to 10 small chili, so it looks like this. We have 1 big chili, we have 4 garlic, we have 4 red onion, we have about 2 tablespoons butter, we have sweet soy sauce, ketchup. This one is chili sauce. This one I got it from the Asian market, but if you don't have it, you can use sriracha, that's fine. We have white pepper, we have coriander powder, sugar, salt, and then this is the mix between the water from boiling the meatball, and I add about 1 to 2 teaspoons chicken stock. First thing first, you want to blend all the chilies, garlic, red onion, and then add about 1 tablespoon salt. Add a little bit of water, so it's gonna help blend. And then let's blend them. Alright, after you blend them, just put it in a bowl. Okay, first thing first, medium heat, and then add all the blended spice. So what it does is gonna remove all the water. You can stir fry it for about 2 to 3 minutes. As you guys can see, all the water is almost removed. Then you add butter. Okay, now stir fry for about 5 minutes or until it's became fragrant. If you guys don't like spicy food, you can replace all the small chili with paprika, like red paprika, or you don't have to use this. So use paprika, it's fine. If you don't like, or use like 1 or 2 and put like a little bit more the big chili, because big chili you can remove the seed pretty much, so it's not going to be spicy. Alright guys, so after 5 minutes the smell came out. You add about half tablespoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon white pepper, and then you add the water and chicken stock mix. Okay, mix it. Until it starts boiling. Alright guys, when you see it start boiling like this, then you want to add about 1 tablespoon chili sauce, ketchup, 1 tablespoon, sweet soy sauce, 4 tablespoons, and 1 teaspoon sugar. Mix all of them. Just keep stirring until it became thick or it's thickened. After you see it's boiling, after 2-3 minutes, add about 1 tablespoon oyster sauce. Okay, keep stirring stir about 5 minutes, and then the sauce, it will thicken. Then the sauce is ready. Alright, when the sauce is thickened, just turn off the heat and then put it in a bowl. And our sauce is ready. Okay, so now for the meatball and sausage, medium heat, add a bit of butter, let it melt, get a brush, put the meatball in, brush with the sauce, with the sausage, glaze with the sauce, and just put it in a pan. Use a medium heat. For about 2-3 minutes, then you flip it. Keep applying the sauce whenever you flip it. Flip it again. Like I told you, 2-3 minutes. You just flipping it. While you guys flipping it, make sure you apply the sauce. Alright guys, so after 5 minutes, everything's done. Just turn off the heat. Put it in a plate. If you guys have indoor grill like this, you can use it. So spray a little bit of oil everything is same. Just apply the sauce on the sausage and the meatball, and then you can put it right here. Since I don't want to make a big mess, that's why my setup over here it's high, because I put the aluminum foil, so it's not going to make a mess. But if you don't like the aluminum foil, you can set it as a medium high on your grill. And this one take a little bit longer than the frying pan. So apply the sauce, keep it there for about 10 minutes, flip, and then apply another sauce, and then keep applying sauce after like 5 minutes. So the first one is 10 minutes, and then the next step is going to be 5 minutes. And if you guys want to use the outdoor grill, go ahead, but make sure it's indirect heat, because if you put it directly to the fire, chances are, because the sauce that is sweet soya sauce with the sugars, is going to burn the sauce very easily, so be careful with that. After 10 minutes, flip them all and just reapply the sauce. And let's wait another 10 minutes. Alright guys, when everything's done, just remove it. So, this is the end result. This is what the grilled meatball and sausage is. So, if you like this video, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.